Before you buy these puzzles, I'm going to be interviewing my wife and children. Look at that, there's kind of a Where's Waldo element to this. All original art, no stock footage or photos that they bought online.
So the biggest tip I have is that you need to have a very large table in order to do this puzzle. It'll give you the dimensions of the puzzle, but you're going to hit a point where you actually shift huge pieces of the puzzle around in order to make room for the end of the story.
It's on the side that it's 28 by 21 inches.
Yeah, so I used a table that was probably this big, and we had a very difficult time. We ended up using pieces of wood and other things to slide pieces off and move them around. So you want a large table.
Large table, noted.
But yes, these are ridiculously fun and very addictive because there's so much going on, so many little things to find that even though it was a gift for the kids, I found myself doing a lot.
Interesting. Well, let's go ahead and open up this one. I want to see the little surprise packet. What does this mean right there?
Well, there's multiple
there's
packets.
multiple.
So as you're going, you open up different things in order.
And it
So
tells
you
you
can see-
kind of a storyline or something?
Yeah.
Wow.
When we got this puzzle, we actually got it as a gift from someone else that had done it once. So we didn't see all of the story in order, but we did get to see the end, and that was really fun. But really interesting pieces. Some of them go together in ways that you don't think they would go together, and so it just makes it really challenging. Yeah, like this piece here may not actually be an edge piece. So like you don't attack it the way you would a normal puzzle.
Oh, that's
Very
tricky.
challenging.
That is challenging. Wow. And each of them are 1,000 pieces total and dust-free. #1 puzzle on Kickstarter. And I myself have actually launched 14 successful Kickstarters, so I know how difficult that is to actually make a successful Kickstarter. Okay, girls are having lunch over there. Quick, give me from a kid's perspective. 5 out of 5 stars or 1 out of 5 stars?
10,000.
Good. All right, guys. Hopefully those tips and tricks help get you going. Remember, you need a large table and have a lot of fun following this storyline.